Morning chaps, how are you all doing? Good, I hope. That's brilliant. Hey, before we start, will you do us a favour? Will you give us a thumbs up and subscribe? Right, we got that out of the way. Today we are going to cover the van door, but we do have a bit of a problem. Let me show you. Right, we were going to carpet the door, but one of our friends, Wayne, pointed out that when you open the door and it's raining, it's all going to get soaked. And he suggested vinyl, but I don't fancy doing that at the moment. I think it's going to be a hell of a job, even though I am an upholsterer. So what we're going to do is, when we originally got the van, we got these boards were with it. Well, actually, I've cut a new one out because the other one didn't fit very good. So we're just going to cover that, and we're going to spray. We've got some silver paint. We're going to like patch it up where it's a little bit mucky around here. Well, scraped as such. And we've got another piece of board which is going to fit on the bottom as well. So yeah, that's ultimately going to leave some exposed metalwork in the van, which I'm pretty sure we're going to get condensation. So we are just hoping that it'll be okay. And maybe do one season and then think about covering the door properly. If you've got any ideas, will you let me know in the comments how other people have done it. We're going to stuff it really hard. Sounds a bit rude, I know, but yeah, we're going to fill it as much as we can with this kind of stuff. Just making sure we don't get in the way of the mechanisms. So yeah, let's get on with that. Oh, here's one problem. Have you spotted it? Yeah, there's a kitchen in the way. So it looks like I'm going to have to remove the kitchen again and get on with it. Nothing else I can do about it. It's just going to have to be that way. Right, let's do it. So I'm just cleaning off some of the bits of paint that are on the door using this, I don't know what it is, you know, somebody gave me it. A lovely lad gave me it. It's what they use in their business, and it takes the paint off really well. But I know from doing the caravan that you have to be careful, otherwise it will take all of the paint off. So I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's brake fluid or what. I'm not sure. It says alcohol on the bottom, but I don't think it is alcohol. Anyway, it is coming off. Put it on, leave it a little bit, come back to it, and yeah, and it seems to be cleaning it up, but some of it's scratches that won't ever come off. Right, let's get this kitchen moved. Oh, I'm sick of doing this. Right, let's see if I can just shuffle it over a little bit. Yeah. Oh, it's heavy. Wires. Luckily I've left a bit of extra on the wires so we can do this kind of thing. I love a carpet. Right, now I should be able to get in and be able to work on it. There you go. So we're going to stuff all of that and then get it covered, hopefully. I'm not really sure what I'm doing here, you know. We'll see. It's only a van. It's going to get covered eventually, isn't it? It's just for this, yeah. Just so we can start getting away, really. 2 minutes. It's hard work, you know. 2 minutes. Alright, just taping the window up so we don't get silver paint all over the window. Because I'm probably going to be sloppy. Showing your roots now. So Brenda did actually do a bit. Cheeky. So we've got it all masked off with the wonderful Hartlepool Life. Not this week's edition, may I add. Right, it's obviously going to be very difficult doing it inside a van, and it's windy. That's not coming across, I'm guessing, on the video, but we'll give it a go. Just trying not to get it all over the place. Good job it's grey. It's going alright, like. Do you think?
Yeah.
Going a bit. Well, I think it's gone all right, actually. This it's just a primer, but I quite like the effect. Yeah, it looks good. It's matte, it's clean, it looks like a new van. Yeah, good. Yeah, I think by the time we get this fastened in position in the bottom one, it'll look great. Look even better without the newspaper on. Well, we just stopped for a spot of lunch, and how delicious does this look? What Brenda's made me with the lovely beetroot from the lovely Malcolm and Anne, and some of the salad from their garden as well. They're our lovely neighbours, so thank you very much for that. We do eat it all. Alright, just peeling it off, making sure. Oh, looks like we've got a bit of paint in there. Don't know how, it was completely covered. I think that looks alright. It's actually gone better than I thought it was going to go. Don't you think?
Yeah.
A little bit down the bottom left hand corner where I couldn't get in properly. There's a little few runs. But unless you're down on your knees looking down there, I don't think it'll be a problem. Right, let's get these on. So Brenda's just stuffing the door. Doing a good job there. Get it right in as far as you can go. We don't want any condensation. Are you getting it right in the corners?
No, there's no corners.
Right, just pre-drilling the holes. Hopefully they're not too big. Oh God, better check. Might need a smaller drill bit. See if I've countersunk it enough. Should be all right. Don't be hiding. Right, that'll do. We'll go and try it in for size, shall we? Right, I've pre-drilled the piece. What's going on? Countersunk it. But this is going to push it out, isn't it? I'm going to need someone to hold that on for me. Where's your mates when you need them? Here she is. I wonder if Brenda's going to hold it for me. Oh, Bren. Just keeping this in the right place. Now, you may be being videoed at the moment. So.
God, no.
If I put the bottom one in first.
Oh, that.
It's fucked it.
Fuck a duck. You've got in the.
Stop it! So the lovely Stephen has taken me to Charlie Dick's for some Makita drill bits. Now hopefully Brenda won't lose these. Will she lose them, Mandy?
I'm saying nothing.
Brenda's looking at me down there. She's slashing the she's slashing the V's. And what's really brilliant about these drill bits is they've actually got a headphone socket in, so I don't know what that's all about. Right, I think I've potentially drilled the holes too far in, but I'm going to have a go, do it on a bit of an angle. It might be alright. No, that's no good, that's missed. Have a look. You see the poodle. I might have to move the drill hole over further. Fill them in, paint them again. Damn! Right, I've come in on a bit of an angle, see if I can get a screw in there, see what it looks like. Is it snapped? No. I've got these little self-tapping screws.
Yeah.
Oh. There you go. Maybe I should just put the top one in. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Probably didn't need 3 in, could have just put 2 in. Like that. Might be what I have to do. What do you think I should do? Do you think I should just put 2 in there, drill them further up, or try and drill them in? We'll see. We'll see. I'll try drilling. I'll go up over it. See if I can... That's going into the metal. That one worked. That'll do. That looks a bit shit, doesn't it? Oh well, we'll forget about it soon. I've snapped my brand new drill bit. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Makitas as well. Oh well, go and get another one. Right, I've managed to actually get them all done. The technique is don't push too hard. Have I got the wrong drill bit in? I'm sure it's supposed to be a Phillips head, this. Posi drive it's supposed to be, and I'm using a Phillips head. No wonder. You idiot! I don't know, I'm not keen on that one. Bit of an angle sticking out.
Too far.
I'm sure I can live with it. That seems to be the ethos or the saying of this this van. It'll be fine, it's just a van. Right, let's go and get the biggie. Right. Say action! Alright. As you can see, this is the one that came in the van, and I'd forgot that it actually looked like that. I don't know why they've done that. It's a bit weird, so we can't leave that like that. But then I remembered that I kept the original bit off the door. Trying not to scratch it. Which is this filthy looking thing. But I'm guessing we can just put that on there like that. You know, them black poppers all there on. And then just put that one over the top. It must have been like that when we took it off. If you can paint this for us, like that area, and then maybe it's just round the edges. But you know, paint the edges as well, because they'll probably be seen. And find some of them black poppers. I'm sure we saved some. get that on and then put this one on the top. Get painting. How's it going? Do the edges, don't forget. Right, let's pop this on then. Oh, that popped in a bit easy. I was expecting to have to hammer it in. No, they're just going in easy. Right, I'll just put one more in, and before he's dropped one. Before I put them all in, I'll try this, see what it looks like. Well, if it looks rubbish, it's hard luck because this is all we've got. That looks alright by the time it gets the covers on and that. It's got a little cover for there. Right, I'll just pop the rest of these on. Jump in.
If it wasn't damaged, that could have just...
That would have done. Brenda was saying how the poppers actually look better than the screws, and I think she's right. So we might cut some of the poppers up and just stick them on the top. So this could be a problem, as in it's snapped in the hole. I might have to drill the hole out again. There's always one, isn't there? Is that it? Is it done?
I think.
Right, so that's that. We've got it all done. We've got the panels on and the under panel there, which hides that ugliness under there. We've got Brenda's spray painted these. That looks nice. This has all been rattle canned, as they say. So yeah, I think it looks really good. Yes, there might be a worry with the condensation, but we'll see when it gets to winter. And what's the worst that can happen? We take them off, carbon it. Hey ho, maybe just put them back on. I don't know. So that is that. I hope you've enjoyed it. Remember, if you have, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. It's absolutely free. I know people think you have to pay for it, but you don't. It's just free. And that is that. And we will catch you next time when I may well be doing the B2B, because that arrived today. And yeah, that's it. Catch you next time. Say bye-bye, Brenda.
Bye-bye, Brenda.